Hello and welcome to the User Stories Week 6 lab. Beginning it with user roles. So, I'm Pant Patel. I'm the web scraping developer for the project. So moving on, we have like as a web scraping developer, I want an intuitive interface for writing and managing web scraping scripts so I can efficiently collect data from various websites. Solely our project is more concentrated to Amazon itself because Amazon has vast range of products whose prices can be easily compared, and for the time frame which we have, I think that would be a best option as there are multiple options we have available for it. And I want an interface that supports popular programming languages like Python, beautiful so. Solely, I also believe we can use Node.js because I'm much more familiar with it, so that like having knowledge of these type of languages gives us flexibility and data extraction methods. And as a web scraping developer, I want to feature preview the script data before extraction, allowing me to verify its accuracy and relevance. So basically I have to compare things and reevaluate them before eventually putting them out on the web services. Second role we have is the Scrum Master. So as a Scrum Master, I want a dashboard to manage the backlog, prioritize user stories, and track sprint progress, facilitate efficient agile project management. So you might think what these fancy terms are, right? So basically, what a Scrum Master is gonna do is he's gonna so the role is similar to that of a project manager, but on a lower level, as it's solely focused on the programming part and more on the organizing part, on clearing the backlogs and all those things. And I want features for conducting agile ceremonies like sprint planning, daily stand-ups, etc. So like this basically ensures smooth team collaboration and progress tracking.
All right, I'm Nishan, and I'll be taking the role of the DevOps engineer. So, as a DevOps engineer, I want integration with deployment and automation tools to streamline the deployment process for web scraping operations to make it a little more of ease of use. Um, Also, I would like to monitor alerting features to identify and address performance issues or failures in the scraping process so the process of development can be more smooth and streamlined. Also, I'll be taking on the role of a project manager. So as a project manager, I want a comprehensive project planning module allowing me to set milestones, allocate resources, and manage timelines for the web scraping project so that the project can run smoothly. I also want a reporting feature to track project progress and generate status updates for stakeholders, ensuring transparency and accountability. That's pretty much speaks for itself.
Okay, so my name is Rushabh and I'll be taking the role of data analyst. So as a data analyst, I want tools for importing, cleaning and processing the scrap data, enabling me to derive meaningful insights and generate reports. As a data analyst, I want data visualization capability, example charts or graphs, facilitating the presentation of analysis results to stakeholders. I will also be taking the role of the quality assurance engineer. As a QA engineer, I want testing tools and validation features to ensure the accuracy, reliability, and compliance of the scrap data with the ethical and legal standards. As a QA engineer, I want the ability to simulate various scenarios for testing, including edge cases and data anomalies, to validate the robustness of the web scraping process.
Okay, so I will also be taking on the role as a legal and compliance expert. So, as a legal and compliance expert, I want a dashboard to monitor and ensure that web scraping activities adhere to relevant laws, regulations, and terms of services of websites being scraped so that the company or the project does not run into legal issues in the future or during the process of development. Also, as a legal compliance expert, I want features for managing permissions and access rights, ensuring compliance with data protection and privacy laws so that does not hinder the development process.
So that's it from our side for the presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.